Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll guide you through how to play Clash of Clans on your PC or laptop. If you find this useful, make sure to subscribe and like the video. It really helps us reach more players. Alright, let's get started step by step. Step 1. Open up your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Now, in the search bar, type Google Play Games for PC and open the official website. Step 2. Once you're on the site, click on the download button to get the installer. Wait for the download to finish. It should only take a few moments. Step 3. Now open your File Explorer and head into your Downloads folder. Find the file you just downloaded and double-click it to start the installation. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Google Play Games for PC. Once the setup is complete, the app will open automatically. If it doesn't, just search for Google Play Games in your Start menu and open it manually. Step 5. When the app opens, click Sign in with Google and log into your Google account. After signing in, you can close your web browser. Step 6. Next, accept the terms and conditions to continue. Then, on the left-hand side, click on Explore to browse available games. Step 7. In the search bar, type Clash of Clans and click on it when it appears. Now click on Install on the left to begin downloading. Step 8. Wait for the installation to finish. Once it's done, the game will appear in your library on the left-hand menu. Click on Clash of Clans. Then click Play to launch the game. Step 9. Clash of Clans will now open and start loading. You can log into your existing account or start a new one and begin playing right away. And that's it. That's how you can play Clash of Clans on your PC or laptop easily using Google Play Games for PC. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.